I made Inside Out's anxiety, and now it's time for envy. I will make it with wool and special needles for felting. I don't have the exact color, so I will experiment with mixing these two. Spoiler, it works. Or not. You will judge the final model at the end. I have entire head to figure it out. The secret was tear the fibers and mix them really well. When correcting proportions, I cut it on its back and pack it with more wool to move her cheeks. To add shadows to hair, I will mix those two colors. I twist them together and fix with clear varnish. I could brush it, but spray was much faster. I need few batches like this one. I start adding strands of hair from the bottom and work my way to the top, where I will add brighter blue to the mix to create highlights. I will arrange her hair and trim it when body is ready.